Hey, good day everybody, it's perDrA back in the garden, and I'm in my own garden. I have been running around the country a little wee bit, but I wanted to show you a really weird and kind of a wonderful thing. Maybe we'll get back to the garden, see some of the really cool things here as well, but today this is just a little quick video on this crazy little vine. And you're not going to be finding this probably at your local garden store. You might. It's a little, I say a little vine, it grows pretty well. Believe it or not, there's some seed heads, or some seed pod, I guess, of seeds that are resulted from the flowers. But what this thing is, believe it or not, is a Dutchman's pipe. Now, I'm going to show you a little bit about this. Is it seed? I just let it grow. This is actually growing through a Dutchman shrub. Okay, so the shrub is here all the time, and this thing just was planted at the base and let it go, and you can see it's kind of growing through it. It's kind of cute. Okay, so it's got those cute leaves and yada yada, but let me show you what this thing actually does. So as it grows, and here's some, pick some up here, here's some Dutchman's pipes about to open. But, and there's another one coming up here at the top. I hope it's in, you can see it okay. But what it opens to is this. And that's kind of cool. I mean, it is certainly weird. It is, I guess it's, I guess it's wonderful. But that is it. And then, of course, after it finishes, as I said, if you go down, it makes those seed pods. So the seed falls, and if you're fortunate, it might come back up. Or you can just collect the seed and try them out yourself. So yeah, there's a bunch of them. As I go through a little bit, again, you can see the foliage. But down here, there's another one. And there's another pipe about to open. So this is Dutchman's pipe. This is called botanically Aristolochia fimbriata. That's a long name. There's huge Dutchman's pipes and huge flowers that grow in Florida, and you can find them in annuals and stuff. This, I guess, would be an annual. It does seem to come back from seed occasionally, but this is the sort of, if you like, the hairy Dutchman's pipe, Aristolochia fimbriata. There you go, something from the Armitage Garden that you might not see every day. Come on over to beautiful Athens, Georgia. Hey, and just if you feel like following me, feel free, and you let me know. I'll let you know what I'm doing. All the best. See you down the garden path.